Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are back with another hair tutorial. So as you guys can see, it's this nice asymmetrical type bob. Well, I kind of made it asymmetrical. But today's video will be sponsored by Megalook Hair. So if you guys want to see exactly how I achieved this look, then just continue to watch. Alrighty, so you guys already know we cannot start the tutorial without an unboxing first. So here I'm just showing you all of the goodies that come inside the box with Megalook Hair, and the hair should be coming up in a minute. There we go. So this is a 13x4 HD lace bob straight wig. It is 10 inches. As you guys can see, it has the elastic band on the wig, which is always super helpful. And as you guys can see, the hair is super thick, okay? So right now, it's on my head, looking crazy. I did already cut the lace because I was trying to cheat, and the best thing that I could tell you guys is to do not do that, because it gave me issues when I was trying to install it, because you know I didn't have lace to pull on, like the additional lace. So yeah, that's what I get for being lazy, but I made it work though. So as you guys can see, I'm just using my Ebin lace adhesive spray, and I go in twice. I let that get tacky, and then I go ahead and I start to melt the lace. There were times where I did have to fix it, obviously, because I had already cut the additional lace off. Alright, so once I remove the elastic band, I am just combing out the edges, because obviously with the adhesive spray, it gets in the hair and you know it sticks together and all that good stuff, and you don't want crunchy edges. So obviously you guys can see the lace still because I have not blended it in with makeup yet, but I gave you guys this close-up because this is without plucking, you guys. Like, this lace was bomb. It was super thin and it's HD lace, and HD lace is actually a lot easier to look a little bit more scalp like, so I loved it. Right now I'm just plucking the wig. You guys are gonna see me plucking and plucking and plucking because the wig has so much density. So being that I had to cut off even more lace in the front, I had reached parts that were super thick, so that was one of the issues that I kept running into. But it's okay. Like I said, I made it work to the best of my abilities. At least the lace wasn't, you know, hard to blend. Like, the lace itself was super thin, super easy to work with, and it definitely looked very scalp-like. But I'm gonna let you guys watch. I am gonna give close-ups of me plucking, and also I'm going to, you know, use the hot comb and my wax stick and just make everything look a little bit more natural. Alrighty, so after I got the baby hairs all together, it was time to style the hair. And as you guys can see, I just wanted a side part and to bump the ends, of course. Now, if you did have a middle part with this wig, then it will kind of be like longer in the front and shorter in the back. But being that I did a side part, it's kind of like asymmetrical, which in my personal opinion, it still look cute. You know, like some people get their hair cut like that regardless. So I really did like it. Now, another issue I ran into is this is the only flat iron that I have. Y'all, please remind me to get a smaller flat iron because I definitely needed it for this bob. So I had to kind of just work with what I had. And the good thing is that being that this flat iron is so big, I was able to grab more hair at a time, you know. That way it speeded up my flat ironing process. But yeah, but I made it work though. And the wig style came out super cute. So, but I'm going to let you guys continue to watch and I'll come back towards the end. Alrighty, you guys, so after all of that, as you can see, the hair came out super bomb. So as always, I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. I want to thank Megalook Hair again for sponsoring yet another video of mine. It's always a pleasure to work with you guys. As you guys can see, like I'm giving you guys like a full 360. The hair came out bomb, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I really had fun doing it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.